Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now we all know that Izingane's Tembo has come to an end, at least for this year. The last time we heard from Sneh when she was doing that interview on that podcast, she said currently they are shooting for Izingane as Tembo season 3. Now Tirelo put this up on her status, you guys. She said, "Oh, what a roller coaster of emotions. Anyways, sometimes we have to go there." She went on to say, "It's embarrassing that our kids will grow to see all that nonsense. Nonetheless, we all know our truth, and at the end of the day, life goes on." So the roller coaster of emotions, I guess it comes from everything from Pumelelo, from meeting Uvuyokazi. There's something that Utirelo said. She said if there's one thing she regrets, she regrets the day Umpumelelo introduced her to Vuyokazi. I was like, I thought she was gonna say she regrets the day she met Umpumelelo. Can't you know, girls? I guess whatever has been going on, whatever is currently going on between Uvuyokazi and Utirelo is quite deep, and maybe it's gonna take a while for them to even come to a point where they are just, graceful with one another for the sake of the children. But maybe they don't really have to be that, because I mean the one is out of Umpumelelo's life, which is Uvuyokazi. But Utirelo at the end goes on to say, "Karma, blah blah blah, please just let me have my cup of tea like others did." Basically saying, a lot of people have been coming for Utirelo and saying, "You know what, girl, the karma that's coming for you is still doing push-ups." So she's saying, "You know what, whatever about karma, like just allow her." She said we must just allow her to have a cup of tea, like others did. She's like, "Yes, you guys are talking about how much I'm going to go through it, but for now, I'm not going through it, and let me just enjoy myself for now." So that's on Utirelo, guys. Utirelo is asking for space from us, for us to stop telling her about karma. But anyway, I guess she will be getting space from the most of us, since Izingane's Tembo is or has come to an end. We will see her on next season and see what she has in store for us. Obviously, I foresee her coming back. And yeah, guys, tell me what you guys' take on, Dirilo saying ukuthi, like, it's embarrassing that their kids will have to see all of this nonsense, but she's saying it was necessary and it's their truth and all of that. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Sometimes I mixed emotions about reality TV shows that are this deep, because some scars, cut deeper than, like some things that are just said on TV. Sometimes people get too excited, or I don't know what it is. They cut deep, and sometimes they difficult, like they cut so deep that it becomes difficult for you to even mend those relationships again. But anyway, they know what they're doing. They're making money out of it. Some people saying Sithandi izindaba zabantu, and I'm like, kanjani when we are paying? Do you know how much they make us pay? Really, like so expensive for nothing, really. Just to watch people's ndabas, you guys, I guess for some of us it is just a stress reliever from our lives. But anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.